Frontify is about enabling brand builders of the world, for brands of all shapes and sizes, to do what they do best.
Brand is your most business critical tool you have in your arsenal, and that's why our mission is to create a home for you and your brand to thrive.
As we were growing and evolving and maturing as a company, we were also reevaluating our tool stack.
Every touch point of a brand is really important. Presentation is a big part of it. We never were so happy with Keynote or Google Slides.
To communicate the brand in an authentic way. And that's something that we never found in another presentation tool. Pitch was a tool that's made it possible. We take this tool, which is so delightful to use for people, to go out with their new ideas, and the new ideas were connected to the rebranding.
Rick came one day to me and mentioned pitch for the first time.
Okay, there's a new tool.
I thought, oh, come on, new tool. We have a lot to do with the rebranding.
But it was exciting because it was easy and fast.
I looked at it and I was so excited to see something in the cloud, how it works.
And having living documentation, nothing that's static, is really important to the way we work.
I could really easily implement our own font and start creating templates. And I could see what the standard templates of pitch, where you can just go in and change it to your brand. And that was really useful.
From the time that we introduced pitch to the company to everyone using this across the board, it was really a matter of days. With 225 people at this point, that's really a testament to the onboarding process, but also the ease of use in pitch.
It really allows everyone to kind of make sure that they stay on message while they build their own content for their specific use case.
In pitch is really work in progress. Constantly developing these master slides, where before it was kind of you used the last one you used for a client and then customized it again. And of course there was so many consistency mistakes which we don't have anymore.
With an amazing set of templates that our design team has created, we really make it super seamless for everyone to create wonderful presentations without hurdles at all.
Pitch just really fits into our story, it fits into our values, it fits into how visionary it is, so we love working with pitch.